Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to discuss the leader of opposition's horoscope, leader of opposition of India, Shri Rahul Gandhi Ji, leader of the Congress Party, unofficial. All right, so now we will discuss what will happen from today till his birthday of 2027. All right, which means almost another 2 years. So his birthday is on 19th of June, and this video will cover till 19 June 2027. So last year I had made a video where I had predicted that from 19 June 2024 to 19 June 2025, uh, which is his birthday of this year, it's not a good period for him. Court cases, legalities, trials, tribulations, and we saw there were some legal issues. Maybe it's still going on, but now if I see this upcoming year, does it look to continue or does it improve or maybe it gets worse? Well, till his birthday of next year, which is 19 June 2026, I see the problems are continuing. So, for example, now before I go into the predictions, this is a disclaimer. Okay, the disclaimer is that these predictions will not hold true for elections within the states for Congress. Okay, so for example, if I say that from this to that period, this is a bad period for Rahulji, it does not mean that if there is a election in Bihar or Assam or wherever, which states have election, I guess, in this upcoming 1 or 2 years, that Congress will perform badly there necessarily. Okay, but at a pan India level for the Congress, because he's the leader of the Congress, these predictions will hold true. Okay, now for state elections, the horoscopes of the chief minister or the leader of opposition of the state or the primary candidate of both Congress and BJP or TMC, Mamta Banerjee, for example, or any other leader, that also has to be analyzed. So these predictions will not necessarily hold true for states. Okay, but please understand, he is still the leader. So till 19 June 2026, even though state wise it will not impact, but it will still have some negative impact. Okay, so pan India also you will see Congress won't be able to do much better till 19 June next year. So now going into the specifics, from 22nd August, which is another 4 days from now, 22nd August to 11th November, it is a very, very, very difficult period for him. So during this period, there could be major defamation or there could be major problems, struggles. Yeah, tough period. He may feel a bit overwhelmed, situations will be out of his control, or he will feel like that at least. And yeah, he may make some blunders here and there. So he should be careful. 22nd August to 2nd of November, not a very good period for him. Then from 2nd November, I see there is some relief till 20th December. So that period is again, average. It is not very good, not too bad, but nothing great or nothing like too bad. So this period is like so, I would say. Then to 20th December to 21st of January is again very difficult. So that period is similar to this period, 22nd August to 2nd of November. Okay, so during that period, 20th December to 21st of Jan next year, again there could be defamation, there could be some troubles, major troubles basically. Okay, quite a difficult period. So like a war-like situation. Okay, then 21st January onwards, there is some relief. Okay, so 21st January to 2nd of March, yeah, there is some relief. That's reasonably a bit decent, good period, I would say, in the upcoming days for him. So essentially, the last 10 days of January, 11 days, and the entire month of February is reasonably favorable. Okay, but I don't know what election is there that time. For elections, again, as I said, we have to see the state leaders' charts. Then 2nd of March to 19th April next year, it is favorable, but with some problems. So plus and minus. Then 19th April to 19th of June, it is reasonably favorable. Okay. So basically, till 21st January for Rahulji, I see there are troubles. Okay. So because the period in between from 2nd November to 21st January, 2nd November to 28th December, also is average. It is not a great period. Okay. So basically, from now till 21st January, you can expect it is downhill. Okay. Now, the good news is for him, from next year, which is 19 June 2026 onwards, next birthday actually, the next year till 19 June 2027, it's reasonably better. Reasonably. Okay. So that year from birthday next year to birthday 2027 is a similar year which came in 2022, where he did this, Bharat Joro Yatra. So now I'm not an expert in politics, so I don't know how that did that actually have an electoral impact, or did that not have, depends which side of the spectrum you are. Some will say yes, he got 99 seats. Some will say, so what, he got only 99. So I leave it up to you. But that was a movement. Okay, movement in the sense, there were many masses which accompanied him. At least at an external level, it was something. It was visible. So it is something similar. So after 19 June 2026 to 19 June 2027, I don't know what he will do, but it looks like he's gaining some popularity, some support of the masses. Okay. So that year is relatively better. Okay. So, next year from his birthday, which is 19 June 2026, things will improve. But the major improvement will come from 23rd, from 14th of August. Okay. So basically from his birthday next year till 14 August is still a bit problematic, but overall there is improvement. And from 14 August, there is major improvement. Okay. So 14 August 2026 to 5th January 2027, good period for him. Okay. So relatively very good. Not very good, but considerably good compared to what he's having this year. Then 5th January 2027 to 21st May 2027 is again good, but not very good. It's problematic. There could be, defamation, there could be problems, external situations may be out of control. Okay. And then 21st May to 19 June 2027 is looking again average. Good, but average. Nothing extraordinary. So basically, from 14 June, from 14 August 2026 till 5th January 2027, that period looks to be quite good. Okay. Okay, so this is what I see. And then for the next 2 years, of course, this election most likely in May of 2029, May or June, I don't know when the dates are declared for the next Lok Sabha election. Okay, so that we will discuss after 2 years. Okay, so essentially the conclusion is the next 1 year till his birthday of 2026 is not very good. Yeah, the successive year is relatively better. Okay, so I think he should be careful, and let's see how it happens, how it turns out. All right. Thank you so much. If you have any further questions regarding his chart, please let me know down in the comments. And what do you think he will do from June 2026 to June 2027? Do you think he will do some similar yatra like the Bharat Jodo Yatra, or do you think he will do something else? If you are a Congress insider, please let me know down in the comments. All right. Thank you so much. Please take care. Jai Siya Ram.